There's really three things that I enjoy about Timken. It's the challenge of the job, the opportunity to develop and grow in my career, and the opportunity to contribute to something that really matters. One of the things that I feel is important as a plant manager is keeping and creating good jobs locally. That means making sure that we are creating jobs that people want to be a part of, that people want to have. A lot of times manufacturing gets a bad rap. People think that it's hot, it's dirty, it's unsafe, but that really couldn't be further from the truth. For many, coming to work at a place like Timken, where you can come to work in a safe environment, where you can earn a steady paycheck, where you can receive good benefits, is really what's right for them. If you're coming into Timken into an entry-level position, previous experience is not necessary. We have programs in place to make sure that we are developing people to understand the critical aspects of their roles and make sure that they're successful. So whether you're an operator coming onto the shop floor, or whether you're someone that's moving into a salaried level position, we have extensive training programs developed to make sure that you are going to be successful. I think the one thing you can take away with you every day as you leave work from Timken is a sense of pride. A sense of pride knowing that you're creating some of the best products on this earth that go into some of the most important applications that make this country and this world move forward.